Hi everyone, it's meteorologist Justin Stapleton. Thanks for jumping on to click2houston.com. Well, it was a bit of a wild afternoon for us here in Southeast Texas. We had a tornado touchdown just in southern Waller County. This is what it looked like at about 3 o'clock. And we've got two things here. I'm showing you the velocity product, and that is a measure of the wind speed within this thunderstorm line. You had winds going away from the radar site, winds coming into the radar site. When you have that green and red maxed into each other, or sort of mishmashed together, that's what we call wind shear. That's when winds are crisscrossing, and that's what started our funnel cloud, which eventually dropped as a tornado, likely an EF0 tornado. Didn't do a lot of damage, but you can see the showers and thunderstorms over the last 4 to 5 hours that have been initiating off of this line. Good news is that threat has dissipated some for now, but we've got more coming in the way of heavy rain potential overnight tonight, and that's with this next little disturbance that's off towards Big Bend and Del Rio. That'll be swinging its way through here as we get in towards your Monday morning commute. So we'll talk about that coming up here in just a second. So for the rest of the evening, though, we should be A-OK. Might see a couple of more storms starting to pulse up from time to time, but certainly not in the severe realm. Then as we go overnight through about 3:30, here comes that next batch of heavy rain moving on through. Notice that it's on the north side up near Grimes, Waller County, all the way down towards the coast. And then we take it through about 6:30. Could be a very sloppy commute, especially if you're headed out early for work or school. And then as we go 7, 8, 9 o'clock, you see that spreads over towards some of the east side and then up along some of the northern counties as well by about 9, 9:30. Bit of a break early in the afternoon as we get to the hottest part of the day. We'll see more of these showers and thunderstorms starting to pulse up once again. And then as we go in through the evening, same story, still around, but then quieting down through early Tuesday morning. And right now it looks like that may be the end of it, thankfully, but there's still a potential that we could see some heavy rain. And in fact, run our Futurecast rainfall totals. You notice the big bullseye of around maybe 4 to 6 inches. Now, it won't necessarily fall all at once and all in the same spot, but there are going to be some areas out there that likely see a pretty good soaking over the next 24 hours. So rain threat's going to be on the high side for us, about at least 1 to 3 widespread. We'll see higher amounts on that, isolated pockets, some isolated flood concerns with that as well, especially areas that got hit yesterday and then again earlier today. Damaging winds not as much of a threat, and I think our tornado and our hail threat likely fairly minimal. So here's how it breaks down. Isolated showers and thunderstorms for tonight. Next wave of heavy rain tomorrow morning, and then as we get into late week next week, we're going to bring back the heat just in time for the Memorial Day weekend forecast. 90% chance for showers tomorrow. About 80 will be our high. 82, 40% chance for Tuesday, and that'll just cover up as the last of these little disturbances roll on through. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday will quickly jump back up into the upper 80s to near 90, and overnight lows will get soupy again into the mid 70s. And right now it looks like we'll keep it dry until we get in towards Sunday and Memorial Day, with about a 30% chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. That's your forecast from right here at click2houston.com. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and Twitter. We'll keep you updated throughout the rest of the night tonight and get you set for all of your work week plans, which you can get here anytime you need it at click2houston.com.